What if I told you 94% of all internet traffic right now is not human? Bots, AI, fake profiles, automated noise. You scroll Reddit, you save ideas on Pinterest, you game on Steam, you chat on Discord. But what if most of what you're seeing is already fake? And the scariest part, the platforms you trust the most are the ones making it happen. Before we go further, which of these platforms do you use the most? Drop it in the comments. Reddit, Pinterest, Steam, Discord. Let's see what's at stake for you personally. Let's start with the quietest platform on the internet, Pinterest. For 15 years, real people went there to save recipes, plan weddings, find outfit ideas. No drama, just humans sharing real ideas. Then AI flooded in, fake AI images everywhere. Real artists drowned in a sea of machine-made slop. So what did Pinterest do to fix it? They added more AI. AI moderators that started punishing innocent artists, flagging real human art as AI generated. One artist had her work labeled AI modified, artwork she made before AI image tools even existed. And then Pinterest fired 15% of its human staff. Their reason? Going AI first. A platform built by humans for humans just chose machines over the people who made it great. If this is already making you angry, you're going to want to stick around. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next, because Pinterest is just the beginning. So you leave Pinterest, you go to Reddit. Real people, real conversations. Safe, right? Here's what Reddit didn't tell you. In 2024, Reddit quietly sold access to every post, every comment, every personal story you ever typed to Google for $60 million a year. Then they did the same deal with OpenAI. Every argument you had, every advice you asked for, every vulnerable thing you shared. Now it's training AI to sound more like you. And once bad actors heard that AI was learning from Reddit, they sent in bot armies to flood entire subreddits with fake posts and fake outrage, just to poison what the AI believes is real human thought. Today, longtime Reddit users estimate that half of all content on the platform was written or edited by AI in some way. Real question, have you ever suspected you were talking to a bot on Reddit and not a real person? Type yes or no in the comments right now. I want to see the numbers. Okay, forget the internet. You just want a game. Steam, your safe place. Except right now, 1 in every 5 games uploaded to Steam is AI generated. No real developer, no real creativity, just AI graphics stitched together overnight to grab your cash. Real indie developers, people who spent years building something with love, are getting buried under that AI landfill, and Steam hasn't given you a filter to block it. So you close Steam, you jump into a private Discord server. Surely here, with your actual friends, you're safe. Not anymore. In 2024, a secret service called SpyPet silently crawled into thousands of Discord servers and stole over 1 billion private messages from 600 million users, sold online for crypto. Then, Discord announced an AI system that would read your conversations, watch your behavior, and profile your account automatically. Users threatened to leave in waves. Discord paused it, but paused is not canceled. This one genuinely shocked me when I found out. Did you know Discord was doing this? Let me know in the comments, because most people have no idea. So here is the real what if that nobody is asking out loud. What if the internet doesn't collapse from the outside, from hackers or governments or some massive cyber attack? What if it dies quietly from the inside, because every platform you trusted decided AI was worth more than you? Pinterest chose AI over artists. Reddit chose AI money over your privacy. Steam chose AI content over real game makers. Discord chose AI surveillance over your private conversations. And here's the final twist. As real humans get pushed out, AI has nothing real left to learn from. It starts training on other AI content. It gets worse, stranger. It starts feeding on itself. The internet becomes a room full of robots talking to robots pretending to be human. And you, the last real person in the room, just quietly close the tab. Tell me honestly, when was the last time you were 100% sure the person you talked to online was actually a real human? Drop it below. The internet you grew up with, it's already changing, maybe already gone. And the only people who will know the difference are the ones paying attention. If you want to keep asking these questions with us, hit subscribe. We put out a new What If every week. And next time, we're asking something even darker. What if AI doesn't need the internet to take over? What if it already has? You don't want to miss that one. One last thing. Which platform do you think dies first? Reddit, Pinterest, Steam, or Discord? Vote in the comments. I'll pin the top answer. Subscribers, I'll pin one of your comments at the top. So if you're not subscribed yet, now is the best time. See you in the next one.